another night without fan. I know it's better now in this position. That we could not open this. And if I'll ask my husband removed our dustbins. Hey guys, good morning guys. How you all doing? So guys, I want to show up a video I started for a very long time. When we want to get our TV, the new TV that we bought. So I didn't finish it up. I want to show you guys everything because we have to reset our living room, fit in the telly. But where the telly was supposed to be, it could not stay there. So we have to reset our living room. So let me just show you guys everything that has been going on so far. What happened after that? So I'll show you guys. Let me show you guys everything. My camera is better now. So guys, this is the full setup of our living room. This is the full setup of our living room. For now, our dining is still here and it's still here. So this is the telly I was telling you guys that we got. This is it. This Hisense 65-inch, and we regretted it, guys. If we had known that we are going to put it in this position, we would have gotten the 75-inch because it's almost the same amount, just slight difference. And guys, we are loving it. We are loving it. So the reason why we changed the sitting room setting, so our chairs are now in this position. My oldies, you know now, this is where the telly used to be before. This used to be our media stand before, so we have to change it. Reason because it got up to this height. So you can see what it did. It got up to this height, so we could not open this this, what will I call it, I don't know. We tried to shift it to this place and see if it can stay here, but it was also obstructing the door, and it was so risky because of my baby Zana. She can just fling it. So we decided to change the setting of the living room. See her. Mama, say hello guys. She's outside. Say hello people. It's me, baby Zana. So we decided to change the setting of the living room, and we fixed it here. So I'm loving what I am seeing. I'm loving it, and the sitting room now has enough space. It's now spacious, very spacious now. It's now spacious, guys. Another thing I want to show you guys is that we are locked inside this living room. You know what this thing is called in Italian? I'll ask my husband, and if he tells me, I'll put it on the screen. So this thing got spoiled, so now we cannot open here. This place cannot be opened. So the day we fixed the telly, Amanda went outside as she was trying to drag this thing down. It got spoiled, so it cut. The rope that used to do the dragging removed. So we've called our landlord. The man is misbehaving, so Obi has called somebody to come and fix it. And today is Sunday, so I don't know if the person can make it. So for now, this thing can't go up, so we are locked inside. And the bad part is everything that we use in putting our dustbin is outside. So for now, for like since on Friday, guys, see where we've been packing our dustbins. See where we've been putting our dustbins. Our trash can is outside, is out there, and I don't know what to do. So this morning I'm thinking that I'm going to remove everything here from my kitchen window and see if my son or Amanda can pass through, so that they'll bring the trash can and everything inside. After I'm done sorting this trash, I'll put it in the Amanda's balcony. So we also have another balcony at the back of Amanda and Emmanuel's room, so we'll fix it there. So guys, that's just everything. So Amanda, you go and carry Zana, say your daddy can sleep, and lock the room so that Zana will not go in there again. So guys, that's what we did. How do you see the setup? Hope is okay. Is it better off than the previous setup? Because If it is, please just drop your thoughts in the comments. What about it is the sitting room now have enough space for the kids to play. I didn't even know that it can be this big. I won't lie. With the previous setup, the sitting room was small. But with this setup, guys, the sitting room is now looking big and spacious. So just drop your thoughts in the comments. How do you see this new setup? So like I said before, the trash can, I'll see if we can get it from that place, and we'll be leaving it for now at the back of the balcony behind Amanda and Emmanuel's room, so that we'll be using it for now, because tomorrow they are going to is the day they used to throw kata away, and if we don't do it today, meaning it's going to pile up. So I have to look for somehow I have to look for ways to be able to sort out ourselves till pending till we put this whatever in order. Amanda, what's this thing called that got spot? You don't even know it. Pending till where we put it in order. Guys, today is Sunday. We're supposed to go to church today. So though one got to tell you that I think those that was on Friday. So today is Sunday. I told you days after. So today is Sunday. We're supposed to go to church today. I was invited for a baby dedication, but we couldn't make it because hubby did night shift today. It has not been long he came back from work. So he said he's tired. He can't take us there. And there's no way I can go because I don't know my way around. I don't know my way around that place. I've not been there before. So hubby was supposed to take us there. But since we are not going, I've called the lady. In fact, I didn't call the lady. I spoke to her yesterday through voice notes that we can't be able to make it. And I was supposed to give her something. The lady that invited us, I was supposed to give her money for Amanda and Zana's cake. So Amanda and Zana are going to be cutting their cake this week on Sunday. This week is Amanda's birthday, 26th of June. I gave birth to Amanda 26th of June. So this week is Amanda's birthday. 26th is Friday, she? So this week is Amanda's birthday. On Friday is Amanda's birthday. Mama, leave it. On Friday is Amanda's birthday, but we are going to be celebrating it on Sunday. We are not inviting too many people, just the lady that did the bake the cake and her husband and her daughter. Then one other family, my husband's friend, my husband's co-worker, the wife and the kids. I don't know if they are going to make it because the lady's husband is on afternoon shift that day. So I don't know if he can be able to make it. Because if the man doesn't come, it's the man that is driving. If he doesn't come, meaning the family is under probability they will join us. But anyway, we are not doing anything big. It's just family get together. So Zana is going to be cutting her cake. I'll tell you guys why Zana is going to cut her cake with Amanda. So I'm going to say that in another video. I'm going to say that in another video why she's going to be cutting her 1 year cake, 1 year birthday cake with Amanda. Mind you, Zana is a year and 4 months. Yes, this is June. She was born February. So she's a year and 4 months. So she's going to be cutting her 1 year birthday cake. I have the reason. There's a reason why I did it like this, which I'm going to be sharing it in our next video. So guys, I don't know what we're going to be doing again today. Okay, later today, and hubby will be going out to buy fan. To buy fan. Anna passion leak. You're buying this, you're trying to do this, another one will be happening. Yesterday, my own fan, the fan I use in my room, got spot. So the one I used last night was that of Amanda's own, because their room is more colder than our room. Our room is hot at night, because of the way the sun always sets. So our room is facing the sun. Anytime the sun comes up, in fact, the sun is channeled to my room. So at night it's always very, very hot that I can't sleep without fan. So, and if I don't sleep with fan, Zana will not sleep at all because she hates anything heat. So mother and Greatness volunteered to give us their fan because their room is much more better than our room in terms of the weather. Than our words. I'm coming, guys. And this my mic might be interesting, so because of the weather. So, mama, no, because of the weather. So that just that's it. So we are going to get fan because I cannot sleep another night without fan. I no go fit. Italy weather, when it's hot is hot, when it's cold, mama leave now, mama mia, see am now. When it's hot is hot. I'm gonna please take this bottle away from me, keep it inside the kitchen on top of that place, that shelf, cause Zana. And just remove the carton, keep only, just keep the bottle, remove the carton, cause you're going to pass there. Let's sort out those things. In fact, let's try and sort out ourselves today and know what we're going to do. So we're going to be getting another fan today. Let's getting another fan today. So guys, that's basically everything that we have done so far. So if you love our telly, it's 65-inch Hisense. It's big, is okay. And one thing I love about it is a smart telly. You know, you guys already know, so I no fit buy anything wey no be smart again. It's a smart telly, and my kids love it more, not because of the overload channels that it came with, because it came with Alexa. So our telly has Alexa. Yes, so our telly has Alexa. All we do is just say, Alexa, go to Netflix. Alexa, go Netflix. Go. Carry. Give her ice cream or something. So all I just need to do is to say, Alexa, go to Netflix. Alexa will just tune it to Netflix, guys. So good thing is good thing, no. Good thing is good thing. So that's everything. Call me childish. Now today you begin to use Alexa. Yes, so it's my first time using Alexa, and it's on my telly. Alexa started in my house from my telly. So I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know if I'm going to be adding anything to this video. If I'm not adding anything, thank you for watching up to this extent. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you leave your thoughts in the comment section. And if you are new oldies, please drop your thoughts in the comment section. How una see my sitting room? Una put am for there. Let me see those that will watch my video to the end. Your comment is what will tell me that indeed you watched my video till the end. If you want me to be supporting you, your channel, please indicate it as well. At the end of the video, I will come and check out this channel and I will support you as well. So guys, we are 10,000 plus subscribers. Say congratulations again in the comment section. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Ciao, bye. Or rather, if it's continuous, I will talk to you guys. We keep talking. So, ciao. Let's sort out ourselves.
She wakes before the sun, whispers thanks for one more day.
Small.
Coffee cup and no
Throw it to the floor now.
tears of joy along the page. Every fear she thought would
I draw this.
drown her lays like shadows at his feet.
Let me clean that water side to not stain.
In the quiet she remembers that never misses a beat.
Bring it. No, bring the body bucket.
Jesus loves
Leave it inside, bring body bucket.
called her by her name. Held her through the fire.
So you can keep, I don't know whether to repair this thing. I should do this one outside.
Every breath a story.
Leave this one there. Bring that cat off, that Ghana said pampers forever. See the one like small line of there now. Brown line. Okay. Bring that one for kata. Bring it. That's why I said let them bring it because tomorrow they'll come and carry kata, and if it's there, it don't make sense. Then please go that place and go and bring that bag of nylon. That you see the nylon on. Thank you. That's even my tripod stand was even outside. All these are what I do.
Jesus lost in weight, caught up by her name, held her through the fire, walked her through the rain. Every breath a story, every scar redeemed. Jesus lost in weight, more than she can dream. And the dark says you're forgotten. Heaven answers.
I don't blame you. Why did I pass them? Me and my fat butt. I wanted a
When her heart feels cracked and silent, he's the one who gives her song.
The minute one go back through. So guys, my son has done it. I'll talk to you guys later. Ciao.
Her song.